to take this stray dog and go take it out on a road somewhere and dump it far off. Now go on. It eats too much.
You eat too much.
Damn. What tarnation? I took him way out there.
He came back. He beat you. Now take him out further.
Think you're pretty smart, don't you? All right.
Unbelievable.
You've got to take him way out and drive him around where he's confused. Just get him way out in the country. Now go on, get rid of him. He is not coming back.
Well, this is what happens when you feed him, and then you'll name him, and then he'll never leave. That's what happened with you.
Oh, get.
What we should have got is a blindfold. Was that you or was that me? Where are we? Yeah, that was me that time. I'm sorry. There's no way you're gonna find your way home now. Where are we? All right, get out. Stupid dog. Dag nabbit. Where am I?
Oh, how do you work this blasted thing? Okay. Hello?
Hey, that dog there?
Yes, he is here again.
Well, put him on. I need directions.